Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. Today we shall be, if today you are just seeing my channel for the first time, I want you to like my video and like this video. And when you like this video, at the same time, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Quickly, let us continue. With this our short video. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 safe investments in Nigeria with high returns. That is top 5 investments in Nigeria with high return. Investing wisely is one of the best way to grow your wealth. You need to invest smartly. And then you can be able to know on the area of investment that can, protect your capital, especially your capital. At the same time, give you high returns on investment. Involving committing resources to generate returns over time. You commit your resources. These are the investment. You commit your resources to generate returns over time. And then in this Nigeria where there's a lot of value and there's a lot of inflation, lots of value, you need to, investors are creating wealth for themselves by investing in a very important, in an avenue where you have your capital preserved. At the same time, you can, you can realize high returns on investment. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you this investment option that can protect your principal, your money, at the same time give you realizable returns on investment. Number one that we are going to look today is is a real estate. Real estate investment is like investing in properties in terms of it can be a commercial property or rental property. For individual or for corporate organization, you can do that, especially in a high browse area like in Abuja, like in Lagos, like in Port Harcourt. When you invest in this kind of space, you realize returns of by you realize rent income both for individual and for corporate organization. And you can do land flipping by buying land and keep for some time and then resell your land back. You can buy land in a remote area, fence it together, keep it for some time, and then you realize you dispose as when due, and you realize you create wealth and realize tangible profits on that particular space. But you can do real estate investment trust. That is for those who cannot go directly and invest or in buying property or to build property. You can invest through REITs. Through REITs company. There are some companies that put funds together, but they are listed on stock of exchange. And then when you buy into those space, then whatever the money, when they will pull up all the investors' funds and invest in big properties. So whenever they get rent income, they will share it among the investors. And government have been mandated that most of the income realized by REITs, 90% of them must be shared to their existing shareholders so as to be able to generate return. So you can either invest directly or indirectly in real estate. You can do indirectly through REITs, buy into REIT if you don't want to own property or you don't want to go, you just focus your attention and you can come into this company and come out. For example, UPDC in Nigeria and then Union Homes REIT and then SFS REIT is a typical examples that you can approach your broker and make a lot. You are part owner of that company. So it's a very good one. You can buy shares, of blue chip companies that have been tested in the like of, for example, you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, you have it in mind that you divided them into sectors and look at the leader in that particular sector, study them, and then you can put your money into that particular stock. For example, when you are looking at banking sector, you are looking at Zenith, you are looking at GTB, you are looking at Fidelity Bank, you are looking at UBA. These are the major players in that banking sector. Or you move to manufacturing sector. You talk about Dangote Cement, you talk about Nigerian bureaus, you talk about Nigerian bureaus, you talk about Guinness, you talk about Nestle. These are manufacturing companies that have been tested and they have been existed for long. Or you look at agriculture sector, then you are looking at the area of Okomu Oil, you are looking at Presco. Or energy sector, you are looking at Mobi, you are looking at Total, you are looking at all these, like Geregu Power Industry PLC. These are companies. So when you categorize them into sector, you'll be able to pinpoint the leader in that particular sector, and then you study their fundamental analysis, look at their financial report, and then you just take your decision and you put your money. But I can tell you, your money is being protected, and you realize in 2 ways. Either you realize through capital gain, or you realize through dividend payment. So these are the way. So investing in shares and stocks is a very good one that you can quickly make money and create wealth yourself, and then you watch how your money is growing. At the same time, you reinvest back your dividend for you to be able to make more money. At the same time, you follow markets trends and expert analysis for you to be able to know which spot to be, to be focus your attention on and make a lot of money. Then number 4 is mutual fund. Mutual funds pull money from multiple investors to invest on their behalf. They invest in diverse portfolios on behalf of their investors. What you need to do is just register appropriately on that particular space and then put your money. You can do that with Stanbic IBTC. You can do that with the ARM. You can do that with a platform like Cowrywise. You can do a lot of mutual fund on Cowrywise. Just to register appropriately with them, put in your money, and then you watch how your money is growing. We have different types of mutual fund. We have money market mutual fund. We have equity mutual fund. We have bonds mutual fund, and then we have the balance mutual fund, which is the combination of equity and bonds together. So these are types, but we always recommend for a new beginner for you to be able to look at the area of money market fund, because they invested in short-term securities that can keep your money safe, and then you just realize return, and you can go into mutual fund and come out on the basis, because they are categorized into their risk levels, because money markets are low risk compared to equity risk and the bond risk. So these are investments that you can. And what are the benefits of investing in mutual fund? So number 1 is professional management. They are being managed by professionals. At the same time, for diversification, they can diversify into different industries, and then the liquidity that you can go into the investment and come out at will. These are the way to go about mutual fund. Then the number 4 is fixed income investment. Fixed income investment, especially being backed by government, in terms of, you can invest in treasury bill for a particular period of time. Your treasury bill interest can go as long as 15%, 16%, 17%. When you invest in treasury bills, you are very assured that your money is safe. It's just like you are borrowing government money. And the beauty of treasury bill, you can collect your interest upfront and put in your principal, and then realize your full amount of yield at the end of the tenure of your investment. So treasury bills, you can do directly, you can do indirectly. You can approach debt management office and invest directly if you have up to 50 million naira. But if you don't have that kind of money, you can invest through secondary market. You can invest as minimum as 100,000 naira on treasury bill. Likewise, federal government is waiting for. Federal government is another fixed income investment that you can do, and it's being backed up by government, but you can only do it for 2 years, or you can do it for 3 years. You can, your interest element will be divided by 4, and they pay you on quarterly basis. It's good for an investor that is retiree that you want to be collecting. It should be just like your salary. If you put about sizable amount there, they calculate your interest. Interest can grow to about 70%, and they would, for example, let's say you put 1 million naira there, 200,000 at the rate of 20. That's the way to go about this kind of investment. So it's a very good investment that you can quickly look at. You can do fixed deposits with the fintech platform at the same time with the banks. Banks, the rate of interest with banks might be lower than fintech platform. I'm talking of fintech platform in the like of Bamboo, in the like of Trove, in the like of Optimus, in the like of RiceVest. You can do an investment and put your money. But in RiceVest, you can do dollar investment and keep your money in dollar and realize and create wealth for yourself in dollar. I will put the description of this investment platform on the description of this video so that you can just register for free appropriately. Cryptocurrencies, they are volatile investment, but you must be able to, be versatile in this kind of regards of investment, because you might lose your money. At the same time, you can make a lot of money through crypto. You must be able to analyze it very well. You must be able to study the way to operate it and then make a lot of money and create wealth for yourself. But it's volatile. It's better you put the little amount that you know that if this money wipe away, it will not have much impact on your investment or your fund. So that you put sizable amount, just little amount in this cryptocurrency, in the like of Bitcoins, in the like of Ethereum, and then you study these coins, and then you put your money into it and make a lot of money. So these are 5 stable investment that can give you high returns that you can quickly consider when you have sizable amount to invest, so that you look at this category of 5 investments, and that can keep your money safe, at the same time give you high returns on investment. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, what I just want you to do for me is to like give this video a thumbs up by liking this video. You are helping our channel, because if you like this video, YouTube organic automatically will share it to so many people, so that a lot of people will be able to be abreast of this kind of opportunity, I mean investment opportunity. At the same time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. At the same time, if you have any investment that you feel you don't understand, put it in the comment. I will do a video about it. Practically, I can be able to, we can be able to do it together. I can record my screen, both my phone screen, as I'm doing this investment, so that you too, you can be able to be abreast. Any investment you have interest, and then you want me to do expatiate on it, I want you to comment it, put it on the comment section, so that we can look at it together. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and at the same time, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.